Okay, let's make a mocha. It's fair to say the mocha combines two of the world's most popular flavors, chocolate and coffee. Here's how to get the most out of this great combination. Start by purging your group head and preheating your portafilter. Remove and then dry before grinding. Next, grind your freshly roasted beans. Give the portafilter a few taps like this to settle the grounds before tamping on a level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each time and then visually check that your tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head. Before you start the shot, make sure you set your cup underneath. Today we're splitting our shot between 2 cups. Hit the 2-cup button and let the machine work its magic. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey. This machine has automatic milk texturing, so it can easily get the right amount of microfoam and steam to the right temperature hands-free, but I'm going to show you how to do it manually. Pour the cold milk into the jug up to the bottom of the spout. Before we begin, purge to clean out the steam wand, clearing any condensation and milk residue. Place the steam wand around ½ an inch into the milk and open the steam valve so it draws air from near the milk surface. Lower the jug after a few seconds to introduce air to the surface of the milk, and remember, if it screeches, lower the jug further. The key here is to focus on texture first and then get the temperature. In texturing the milk, I'm aiming for a temperature around 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. A good manual indicator would be when the jug becomes too hot to touch. For non-dairy, I would recommend not going over 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius, as the milk can start to separate or curdle. This is what we're looking for, a velvety and silky smooth texture. Remember to swirl the jug to distribute the air so the microfoam is mixed in evenly. Once done, don't forget to purge the steam wand to clear remaining milk inside the wand and give it a wipe with a damp cloth. Next, add 2 teaspoons of good quality drinking chocolate into the espresso shot and stir. I also like to dust a little bit more on top. Now pour the textured milk into the mix and watch the heavenly blend come together. And that's how you make a cafe quality mocha at home. Enjoy.